Are you still using your mouse for everything on Windows? If so, you are missing out on some seriously powerful shortcuts. Today, I'll show you 5 Windows keyboard tricks you'll regret not knowing sooner. And trust me, once you learn these, you'll never go back. Let's start with a big one. Windows plus V. Instead of copying and pasting one thing at a time, this shows you your entire clipboard history. That means you can paste multiple items you copied earlier without losing anything. It is super useful for students, office work, or editing content. Next, try Windows plus period or Windows plus semicolon. This opens the emoji and symbols menu instantly. You can drop in emojis anywhere, like in emails, Word, or even file names. It's faster than searching or copying pasting from Google. Shortcut 3 is a lifesaver for multitasking. Windows plus arrow keys. Press it to snap windows left, right, top, or bottom of the screen. It is perfect for splitting your screen in half to work side by side or even into 4 if you want a full grid setup. Number 4 is for all of us who've closed a tab by mistake. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus T and your last closed tab instantly comes back. It works in most browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. And finally, for security, Windows plus L. It instantly locks your computer, perfect if you need to step away. Nobody else can mess with your files while you're gone. Try them out today and you'll save time and frustration every time you use your computer. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stick around. I've got more hidden tech tricks coming that you won't want to miss.